Hello guys! Today we're gonna draw a watermelon. You might see it here, this one. And I want to show you my brush sets that I created once again and the texture papers that I made. So let's get started. And first thing that we will do, I want to trace those watermelon here and I want to zoom that. I think this one, yes, this fine. This size is fine for me. And after that I want to lower the opacity. I will grab my black pencil that is in sketching. I am gonna grab 6B pencil and let's start tracing. And guys, that might be a mistake like what I did right now. You need to be on a new layer that is above our reference picture, this one. So be careful with the layers because it's very easy to forget to move to a new one. Don't stay on original layer. So now I want to show you my texture paper, and for that you need to be underneath my textures. So you might see that here. So it's very important to be underneath all textures. We choose blue transparent watercolor brush, and now I'm gonna choose a color. How can you do that? Just tap here and after tap the colors that you like and after start. And once again, if you press harder, you see, but don't leave the brush from the paper. If you press harder, you will add some colors. And you see how natural it is. So after that, if you think that some colors are overlapping each other and you see the gap between the colors, with gentle blender is even better. You have to blend the colors nicely. You see, you can't even see the gap now. And also guys, I want to show you one more magic trick. How can you make it brighter, the color, actual color. So you can duplicate that, and as you see, I have to make one layer less visible. You might see that here. Or even less. I actually, yeah, I'm gonna leave like that. And after just merge that together. I do like now the color that I created, and now I want to do the same with the other pieces, slices of watermelon. And on top, after blending tool, as an eraser, I think it's better to use BooStudio watercolor. blend those circles. Well, cool. Great, now let's change the brush. And for this I will use my BooStudio watercolor brush. And I'm gonna add more shades. Transparent watercolor first. And switch to BooStudio watercolor. And I'm gonna start with this one. And also you see we have shades here. Shades. And now let's blend all of it together. Next step, let's draw some seeds here, but before that I want to darken some parts. And now I am on my transparent watercolor, and I'm gonna add more red shades. We need to emphasize some parts. BooStudio watercolor brush. And the last part is seeds. Ta-da! That's it. Now we can turn off our reference layer, and that's our watermelon. And guys, you can also make one more thing. Is we are on the same level layer, and we go to my Blue Eucalyptus light watercolor, and now you can show us like sharp edges here. You might see that it can help us to create an actual watercolor look. Ta-da! That's it, guys. That was our class about watermelons. See you later.